In order to understand round 4, I need to read carefully. It says in figure below, S, J, Q, and Q, J, R are complementary. Complementary means 90 degrees. That means that X plus this other angle here are going to have to add up to 90 degrees. But first we have to figure out what is this blue angle here. I can do that because I know a triangle equals 180 degrees. So I currently have two of the angles in this triangle. 76 plus 80 plus the angle I don't know. I'll just put a question mark in that for right now so it doesn't get confused with x, has to add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to add together 76 and 80. 76 plus 80, 14, 15. I get 156. Plus this unknown angle will have to equal 180. So let's go ahead and subtract 156 from each side so I can isolate my unknown. That zeroes out over here. And I am left with 24 degrees. 24 degrees is not my answer. It is just telling me how many degrees this inside angle is. So I know that 24 degrees plus x is complementary, so it must add up to 90 degrees. So I'll subtract that 24 from each side, and I will find that x equals 66 degrees.